Hey there! Are you struggling to attract enough traffic to your website? Well, you are in the right place. In the few minutes, I'm going to share with you some quick and effective tips to boost your website traffic. Make sure your content is high quality, relevant, and engaging. Use keywords that your target audience is searching for. Promote your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share your content. Send out regular newsletters with valuable information and links back to your website. Keep your subscribers engaged and interested. Partner with influencers in your industry for shootouts, guest posts, or collaborations. Their audience could become your audience. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic. Understand what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. So, there you have it. 5 quick tips to help you attract more traffic to your website. But wait, there's more. If you're still feeling stuck or want personalized advice, I'm offering a free consultation to help you take your website to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link in the description below to schedule your free consultation now. Or contact us at www.smishritechnology.com.